Benefit of green tea introduction. There has been an influx of media coverage about the health benefits of green tea. Most green tea enthusiasts may base their opinions on green tea around their own experiences of the beverage. For many centuries, people of China used green tea for treating various diseases. However, with the advancement of time, today people of West use green tea, realizing its several benefits. Green tea has long been esteemed in China for its involvement to good health. The Chinese have been drinking green tea for thousands of years due to its miracle working abilities. Green tea has been used by the Chinese for treating minor headaches to much larger matters such as preventing cancer. Green tea, like black tea, is made from the leaves of the plant Camellia sinensis. The difference between the three main types of tea is the way that they are produced. Green tea is unfermented tea, meaning that the leaves used for green tea are steamed soon after been plucked in order to prevent the oxidation of the leaves. In this way the leaves remain green and the active substances within the leaves retain their qualities. Black teas on the other hand are made from fermented leaves and as a result have less nutritional and enzyme content as the green tea. Thus green and black teas have different chemical properties. Fame of green tea in the United States persists to develop, viewing that green tea is an innate foundation of antioxidants. These antioxidants aid defend the body from accelerating aging and augmented danger of ailments. Years of research reveal that green tea restrains the expansion of objectionable cell colonies, thus building it the healthiest tea obtainable. First, health of green tea, weight loss. The high concentration of polyphenols in green tea helps to oxidize fat and encourage thermogenesis. Thermogenesis in the body is the rate which the body burns calories. Green tea results in an increase of energy which raises the metabolism, therefore, more weight is lost than normal. As a morning beverage, green tea has a small amount of calories compared to most other beverages that Americans drink in the morning. The constant barrage of coffee as most people's morning beverage results in a higher amount of daily calories compared to green tea as a beverage in the morning. A substitution of green tea instead of reaching for a cup of joe will make a big difference in the size of your waistline. A study was conducted of 10 healthy men over a period of 6 weeks. It was discovered that those men who were given green tea extract burned more calories per day than those who were not given the extract. Much more research needs to be conducted in this area, but the signs are certainly very encouraging. Second benefit of green tea, prevention of cancer. The antioxidants in green tea eliminate free radicals that plague the body. These free radicals cause aging and cancer. The polyphenols of green tea constantly search for free radicals and they prevent the formation of unstable oxygen molecules in a process known as oxidation. This oxidation damages healthy cells of the body and have been linked to illnesses like cancer, heart disease, and even strokes. The polyphenols in green tea prevent the birth of abnormal cells, inflammation, and destroy most cancer-causing agents. Third benefit of green tea, healthy teeth. Green tea is well known for keeping teeth clean because of one of its ingredients, fluoride. The fluoride kills the bacteria in the mouth that causes plaque. Also, fluoride helps to maintain healthy, cavity-free teeth. This helps to prevent general tooth decay inside of the mouth. This cannot be about coffee, which stains the teeth with an ugly yellow tinge. The oral health of teeth can be vastly improved with the consumption of green tea. Fourth benefit of green tea, lowers cholesterol. Green tea may be a possible solution for all those suffering from conditions of high cholesterol. Heart attacks are one of the most common problems associated with bad cholesterol. Drinking green tea could possibly lower this stunning high risk. Green tea lowers the bad cholesterol's levels, LDL cholesterol, and prevents the occurrence of blood clots in the body. The LDL cholesterol flows through the liver and cells, forming heavy deposits on artery walls. The catechins in green tea help to decrease the amount of bad cholesterol. Also, the catechins help to maintain a healthy good cholesterol to bad cholesterol ratio, improving the overall health of the body. Modern science has in recent times been able to demonstrate that green tea is beneficial to one's health, and this is mainly due to the fact that tea contains high levels of antioxidants called polyphenols or flavonoids. The antioxidant activity of tea has been compared to that of fruit and vegetables in a number of studies. One study concluded that consuming 3 cups of tea a day produced a similar amount of antioxidants as eating 6 apples. Antioxidants help your body fight against free radicals which cause damage to cells and tissues in your body. While all tea is healthy to drink, it is green tea that contains the highest level of flavonoids. Recent medical studies suggest green tea to be beneficial in many areas. Fifth benefit of green tea: fight food poisoning. Green tea has the capability to fight bacteria, and this can be counted as one of the chief benefits of green tea. This boosts your immune system, thereby increasing the resistance power. It also helps kill bacteria that cause plaque and succeeding tooth decay. Green tea can help in fight food poisoning. Sixth benefit of green tea: getting rid of bad breath. Also, green tea helps in getting rid of bad breath. Some element is present in green tea that stunts the growth of bad odor causing bacteria. Therefore, a cup or 2 of green regularly can help in maintaining fresh breath. If you are a chain smoker and also you consume around 6 cups of green tea a day, then the propensity of risk caused due to the toxins emitted by cigarette smoke is reduced to a great extent. Seventh benefit of green tea: maintain your beauty. Green tea also contributes to maintain your beauty. With the help of green tea, you can freshen up your face and apply around your tired eyes to get soothing feeling. If you have freckles or blemishes on your face, you can apply the green tea to get rid of the spots. The green tea also has benefits for antiseptic purposes. It can be used to treat minor cuts, rashes, and also can be treated to cure sunburn. Green tea is organically grown, and the customary drying method used with green tea prevents the tea from the harmful effects of fermentation. Products of green tea are available in different strength levels. Some supplements are comprised of low strengths of the active polyphones, whereas others go as far as using unstandardized green tea leaf powder.